Performance, elegance, and exceptional design. These are the qualities you look for in crystal glassware. Welcome to the Stoelzle Lausitz factory showroom and training center, right in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. Stoelzle Lausitz of Germany has been providing the global hospitality, F&B and wine world with professional glasses that are noted for their award-winning designs, exceptional quality, durability, and of course, commitment to the environment. Explore our stunning collection of different types of glassware. This is an opportunity for you to discover high-quality glassware that can elevate your service and enhance your guest experience. We understand that details matter. The right glass can enhance the guest experience, turning a simple meal into a memorable occasion. That's why we offer exclusive training programs designed to enhance your understanding of glassware, glass selection, and of course, glass and wine pairing. We are ready to welcome you at the Stoelzle Lausitz factory showroom and training center. Contact us now for an appointment to visit. See you soon!